And the race is on. Near at hand, dart sequence from the outside. Royalty Material. Canadian Girl in between runners, rushing up Pure Joy. It's now near at hand, followed by Royalty Material. Rushing up Canadian Girl, Dart Sequence on the further outside. And Perfectionist Pure Joy. Three runners fighting it out for the lead. Dart Sequence 6A, this time by Hapaland Canadian Girl. Near at hand on the inside. Perfectionist, Royalty Material, and Sweet Victory as they race the final corner. 6A, Dart Sequence, followed by number 6, Near at hand. And on the further outside is Perfectionist. It's Dart Sequence, Near at hand. Perfectionist on the further outside. It's now Perfectionist. And finally, number 10, Perfectionist. Dart Sequence, Near at hand, close. Royalty Material. Number 8, Sweet Victory. Then comes close. Canadian Girl, Pure Joy. Sincerely, David.